run it up, Kodo.
Right here, bro. Alright.
It's been like 6 years, right? About 6 years. This car?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Alright, what's the setup again? Because the damn thing didn't even record it.
It's JBR built street sweeper setup. It's 81 and a half. Got Manly turbo top rods. Got Manly 8 rods, turbo top piston. Got a head package, stock DSR cam. The turbo is a Argo Warner S366 with 2200 cc injector. Oh.
Fucking side note. always my shit that got fucked up.
It always, right?
My cable, I had to replace it last week. This week, this shit bunched up in the corner. It's a hot mess. That's why you gotta work for the right company.
Facts. How you feeling, Jimmy?
Exhausted.
I know. And you been here since like what, 8 this morning?
I think like 8 or 9.
Damn.
Super good.
What happened?
Our distributor is fucking aftermarket though, so it could be that.
Yeah.
Nope. Not that I could think of on hand. Not for a fucking GSR.
And look who else just showed up. What up, fast guy? Shit. Oh, you got it. Oh, all right. Yo, Frankie. Frankie. You brought up a shit ton of clamps.
Damn. That's not clean. That's my style. What's going on with you, bro? How you? Good. Shit. There gotta be something that fits in that bitch. Oh, God, what a fucking day.
And it's funny because we had an OEM one.
Yes. I cannot
But
find
we
it
don't
no
know-
fucking where.
Glenn switched the car from a distributor to a coil plug.
Setup.
A coil setup. And the distributor got put somewhere.
And
And then we
never found it, so we brought a bullshit distributor.
And now it's shit in the bed.
So why don't we just switch it back to the core setup then? Oh, we still got that set up at the shop.
Huh?
We still got that set up at the shop.
What, core setup?
Yeah.
I don't. That's cause that's a whole nother
Entity.
hypothetically, could we do that? Yeah, but we still don't know if that's.
Shout out to my boy Kev coming through with the distributor. About to get it rocking.
I watched the video though. They got hustle, yo.
Yeah, definitely got hustle. Got the dude on the space and the leave and the break. That shit hooked and booked,
I
bro.
still don't think the Bridgeport dude had a good launch and shit.
Right.
Cause it sounded like his car like it left, but it didn't like it was like
Hard.
it
Yeah.
did sound like he missed fourth gear.
It did sound like it sounded like he let off, to be honest, because he wasn't catching it. He wasn't catching it.
Fourth, he didn't.
Right.
That space though. If you on base, heads up. We're not going to. We can't do this.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
What I said earlier. Run what you grown.
Yup.
Head up.
Exactly.
That's the way I came up in the racing scene. It wasn't nobody
Actually-
giving nobody nothing. You bought this car, you bought this bike, this is what we doing. Head up, let's go.
Exactly.
Both of us leave at the same time. It all depends on who leave the hardest and who leave what to their car.
That's true.
We need you to sit on the window.
Nah, Terrence, did that. Yeah, did that.
Yeah.
Like that eye.
Like sit on the headlight.
I am. Nah, he said don't go in the front.
Don't go in front.
Yeah, I weigh like 248. I'm a fat boy now. Right.
You're supposed to pop there and hugging. Come friend. All right. God damn.
Damn. I know Jamie ready to go home. Oh, you gotta go to work, right?
Yeah, you did. You know what, Jamie? Next
You
time
owe Jamie another 200.
Yeah, there you go. Tell him next time he's gonna come and get it to him, make sure you got all the right stuff.
Yeah, just like when I got mine too, I thought I had everything. We got like an 8-hour shift, Jamie? 12-hour?
Just really going to check in the payroll, get all that shit done, so I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours.
Oh, okay.
4 or 5 hours or so.
Yeah, that's not too bad, but still, the way this heat was today too. And he was up. He was here since 8, 9 a.m. Yeah, you're gonna be exhausted. You're already exhausted.
Don't say the word.
It's Glenn's fault.
Yeah.
Damn, why that shit just spun second like that? God damn. See, I'm used to a horsepower under 250.
That's gonna scare the shit out of me.
Hell yeah. I know when you first started driving your SI, that shit had you a little
I still don't like to drive in the street.
yeah, too much power for the street. This the sleeper right here. They don't know about the sleeper right here.
Got the SIs for 300.
Oh, I'm gonna have to talk to you. Don't tell me that.
And he went straight to the garage?
Yeah.
Oh.
Over here, T.
I thought he was coming back.
I thought so too. Wow, that's fucked up.
Right? Well,
That's why you can't give niggas shit.
Can't even get a pull.
That's what
he did. I got like a small video of it.
No.
Alright, well, I guess that's the end of this video today.
No. You gotta come back for that one.
I think he already on the highway.
He going.
Where T? Hold this.
I think he already on the highway.
Yeah, he going.
I'll close the video up?
No video.
This video.
Huh?
This video.
What video?
Hold in the door.
This video.
What about it?
You want to close it out?
No.
Why not?
No, I'm good.
I bet if it was a race right now, you'll close out a fucking race.
Fuck, I wouldn't either.
Yes, he fucking would.
Lying
Yo,
ass.
Frank, shut the fuck up, cause you would.
Yes, he fucking would.
Yo, that's why you can't stand black people with fucking dreads.
Wow, that's racist.
Isn't it?
Very. Very. So the raccoon don't want to close the video. I
He
feel
said send it
sad.
back.
Oh, you coming back?
Yeah, he said-
Oh, you making him come back?
My seatbelt stuck. My seatbelt stuck.
I thought that was the Camry for us.
I thought-
Or Corolla, whatever the fuck it was. How I feel?
Guys, making it happen.
Yeah.
Saying couldn't have done it without you guys.
What you looking at?
It's vibes. When my seatbelt don't work, we got chill. Shout out to Audio Image. Shout out to Marsh Automotive. Little bro Terrence. My best friend Terrence. Both Terrence. Both Terrences. Jamie Marsh the tuner. Jordan for just coming by. Couldn't have done it without y'all. You know what I mean? Shout out to the guy behind the camera.
Alright.
Alright. Shout out to the tall, dark skin.
Have fun, my guy.
Appreciate y'all.
Alright.
All day.
All day, every day.
All
Listen, I
day.
got you. Any GTR with the smoke, here you go.
Shares a call out video now.
Call out video.
He ain't want to close the video, but he want to do a call out on it.
I'm an instigator. I can't rate. I'm an instigator.
Hell yeah. Alright, Brody. Peace.